Standards help advance the development of many technologies because with the standard in place or with an understanding of what, guidance looks like for manufacturers and product developers, they're able to incorporate those safe practices into the development process. So with a standard in front of you as a product developer, let's say that you're developing a new e-bike design, knowing that there's a standard out there that is specifically focused on the electrical system, for example, you can then develop that product safely so that there aren't concerns about the safety of the electrical system. That way, the average person, when they buy that product, they don't have to worry about lithium-ion battery fires, for example. They know that that product has been developed with a standard in mind. They also know that that product may be tested and certified to a specific standard. And again, it just drives the whole safety ecosystem.